Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, YES Coin. If you haven't started working with it yet, now's the perfect time to jump in before the big listing announcement. In today's video, I've structured everything neatly, so you can easily skip to the sections that interest you the most. We'll cover a quick rundown of the bot, some juicy news about its upcoming listing on Binance, and of course, the all-important question. Is this bot going to be a powerhouse, or just another forgettable project? Feel free to skip ahead to the parts you want to hear about. Before we dive in, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. Let's kick things off with a brief overview of the bot. When you enter the bot, you'll see a menu like the one displayed here. If you're looking for the link to the bot, I'll include it in the description as well as in the pinned comment. For those of you who are new, start by navigating to the Tasks section. You'll find simple tasks like following channels or subscribing to other bots. They're quick and easy, so complete them all. It's also crucial to link your wallet, whether you're using Timekeeper or even the Telegram wallet itself. If you're unsure how to handle wallets, the Telegram wallet is a user-friendly option to get you started. Now let's break down the bot a bit more. At the top, you'll see your balance of coins along with your level and rank. To boost your coin collection, hit the Boost or Upgrade button at the bottom. This will unlock features that can significantly increase your earnings. The last upgrade option is a bit pricey, but it's worth it because it can accumulate coins for you even when you're not actively using the bot. Don't forget to keep an eye on your energy capacity, as well as any bonuses you might receive from collecting certain coins listed in the main menu. Upgrade all 4 of the options gradually. Don't just upgrade one to level 10 while leaving the others at level 2 or 3. Now let's tackle a burning question. What can you expect when the bot launches? To put it simply, your goal should be to gather as many coins as possible and stay active by logging in daily, ideally twice a day. This will help your coin count skyrocket. Next up, let's discuss some exciting news about the Binance listing. I can confirm that YES Coin will be listed on Binance soon. While they haven't made an official announcement yet, Binance has been dropping hints on Twitter, which is always a good sign. So rest assured, this project is legit. No scams here. All you need to do is check in daily to maximize your earnings. Now let's answer the million-dollar question. Is this bot worth your time? In my opinion, it's going to be a decent investment. Based on my analysis, you can expect to earn between $30 and $60 on average. I know some of you might be skeptical, especially since Binance has mentioned it. But let me be clear. I'm not here to hype up every bot for referral clicks like many others do. I only share valuable insights and let you know what to expect ahead of time. Now, why do I rate YES Coin as just average? While some users might hit the $100 mark, I believe a realistic expectation is between $30 and $60. But even making $30 is solid since it requires minimal effort. You'll only need to log in once or twice a day. If you've made it this far, take a moment to like this video. It really helps support the channel and the effort that goes into creating this content. Also, don't forget about our Telegram group, where we share all the latest updates and tips for any bot you're using. The link is in the description below or in the pinned comment. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.